Where did Slipknot got their name? Before Slipknot became one of the most feared,
If there was a heavy metal song about me, what would it be called? What's that? Jack be my song. Let me have a couple lyrics.
Your
That's a hit, dude.
and respected metal bands in the world, they were just a group of musicians searching for their identity. In the mid-90s, they experimented with different names and sounds. At one point, they called themselves the Pale Ones. Among other temporary ideas, but none of these names captured the darkness, chaos, and raw energy they wanted to express. So what happened was this. Slipknot got their name from one of their early songs also called Slipknot. This track perfectly matched the sound they were trying to achieve, with its aggressive style, intense and explosive energy. The word Slipknot itself is symbolic. It's a knot that tightens under pressure, which perfectly mirrors their heavy and relentless music. No single member officially chose the name, but the founding members Sean Cran and Paul Gray were instrumental in shaping the vision that led to it. It wasn't a marketing decision. It was an organic choice born from creativity and raw energy. From that moment, Slipknot wasn't just a band. It was a statement.